Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use Apple headphones on your Xbox One controller without that annoying high-pitched hum. So if you have a listen here, I've put the volume up full so you've got more chance of hearing it. There's a really distracting hum coming from it that makes it unusable. Hopefully you can just about hear that. Now this will happen whether you're using just standard headphones, for example from an iPod, or whether you're using maybe iPhone ones that have the actual microphone built in. So to get rid of that hum, all we have to do is change a setting on the Xbox, and it's really easy to do. Now it will only work for sound. It's only going to work for the headphones. It's not going to work for a microphone. So even if you have the mic built into these Apple headphones here, you're not going to be able to chat to your friends using this, purely for audio through the earphones, that's all. Now the reason you get the annoying sound is because on Apple products they swap around the mic and the ground on these bottom two sections here, and that's the reason we get the high-pitched hum. So let me show you how to get rid of it. So all we have to do is hit the home button, and we're going to have to do this on every single controller that we want to use because the settings are stored on the controller and not the Xbox. So we're going to move our way over to here, and you now see we have an option for audio. If I was to unplug this, the option for audio will disappear. So you have to make sure you've got your Apple headphones plugged in when you do this. And now in a couple of seconds you will see the audio will come back. We're going to go down to it and press A. And now at the very bottom we want to turn mic monitoring right the way down. And that will get rid of that high-pitched whine. Turn off the mic headset as well, so you can turn that off as well. And now we have to do it on the other controller as well. Now on this one I turned it up full, just so you had a chance of hearing it. But all we've got to do is Xbox button, and then go across, go down to audio, press A, then go down to mic monitoring and turn it right the way down. And if you have a listen now, I'm going to show you the difference. So let's put this up to the microphone. Now have a listen as I turn it up. Hopefully you can now hear it. And now turn it down and it's gone. And that is it. So now you will be able to use these as normal headphones. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.